Hi student, myself Dr. Salve Prakash, Associate Professor, Department of Geography, Maharaja Jivajirao Shinde Mahavidyalay Srigonda, District Ahmednagar, affiliated by Savitribai Phule Pune University, Pune. Now today we discuss about FYBSc Choice Based Credit System Syllabus. Name of the type paper. Today we discuss about FYBSc paper first, Introduction to Physical Geography. Now, unit number 4, Geomorphic Process, and point number first, Rock and Minerals. In the points, the first point is Igneous Rocks, part first. Okay, now start. Rock and Minerals, meaning, definition, your differentiations and classification of rocks. Okay, first of all, what is mean by rocks? Rocks means generally the terms of rocks is often use those material of the earth are hard and resistant. It is usually called the hard and resistant part of the earth crust is rocks. But geologically, the definition of rocks incomplete. According to geologists, a rock is any mass of natural deposition which from the solid part of the earth crust. The another definition, Worcester. Rock are composed certain rock material making minerals. Various type of mineral collect and compose the material. This is called rocks. And another definitions are A.K. Lebox, 1886 to 1958. He is the American cartographers and geomorphologist and landscape artist. Is born in New York City on August 16, 1886, and died in April 26, 1958. Okay. According to according to Lobeck, a rock should be conceived as a produce of its environments. When the environment is changed, the rock change. Okay. Now, in short, the term of rocks, the substance formed of one or more minerals and part of the earth crust is called rock or crust. This is the rocks. Now, the terms rocks include not only the hard and resistant materials, compact massive of the earth surface. Yeah, not resistant material or compact mass of the earth surface, but is the finally disintegrated material of the earth, such as sand, clay, also involved in rock strata. A rock may be hard like granite or soft like a clay. It may be large size of like basalt or fine small size grain like sand. In this respect, even soil is looking upon as a rock by geologists. It may be purpose like called chalk, chalk, and non-porous like granite and clay. Each rocks process create certain characters like a structure, color, and specific gravity. Okay. Then the classification of rocks, variations, classification. Here the majorly three types of rocks. Rock are classification various base. For example, made formations, that is called the origin of rocks. Physical and chemical properties, locations, etc. According to the origin of rocks, first rock is igneous rocks. These rocks, the primary rocks, when the volcanic material come to the earth surface and solidification, and then the made of igneous rocks, so it is called primary rocks because of the direct volcanic molten material solidification and cooling and made for the rocks. Here the magma. Another, sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks is depositional work, depositional material. When the depositional material deposit in water bodies, layer by layer, deposit layer by layer, and the pressure, this time they made of sedimentary rocks. Another rocks is metamorphic rocks. They change the properties, the origin, then changing another properties. It is called metamorphics. रूपांतरित, आपण त्याला मराठीमध्ये रूपांतरित खडक असं म्हणतो. Now come to the igneous rocks. Now today we discuss only igneous rocks. The word igneous is derived from the Latin word ignis, means fire. Here the molten material like fire, okay? Hot material. Igneous rocks are formed by action of heat. The igneous rocks were formed of the solidification here and lavas. The igneous rocks have made nearly 95% of the earth crust. Here 95% earth crust made from the igneous and are about 16 kilometer thick. Igneous rocks are the first to be formed by the solidification of outer layers of the earth. So they are also known as primary rocks. Igneous rocks usually occur in a large big masses. Therefore, they also called a massive rocks. The sedimentary rocks and metamorphic rocks were formed from the igneous rocks directly or indirectly. So, these rocks is apparent rocks की ज्याला आपण जनक खडक असं म्हणतो. या खडकापासून इतर खडकांची निर्मिती. Okay. Then the classification of rocks, the two types of intrusive igneous rocks and extrusive igneous rocks. Intrusive igneous rocks, two sub-points, the plutonic igneous rocks and hyperbasal igneous rocks. The intrusive igneous rocks means the molten material not come to the earth's surface but the interior of the part solidification and cool down. This is the intrusive igneous rocks की ज्याला आपण अंतर्गत अग्निजन्य खडक असं म्हणतो की जो खडकाच्या अंतर्गत भागामध्येच त्या ठिकाणी थिजला जातो. When the rising molten magma or solidified in the crust below the earth's surface, it is called intrusive igneous rocks. Intrusive igneous rocks are subdivided into two groups or 2 points. First is plutonic igneous rock. Sometimes the molten magma is notable to reach the earth's surface and it cool down the great depth. The resultant rock are known as a plutonic igneous rock. At great depth, below the earth's surface, the rate of cooling magma is slowly, hence there is no more time for the crystallization. So, the crystal formed in these rocks are quite big in size parts. So, the granite, diorite, gabbro is a typical example of plutonic igneous rocks. These rocks are formed in Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Chota Nagpur plateaus and Deccan plateaus in South India. Then another is hyperbasal igneous rocks. The upper layer, his rocks are formed due to the cooling and solidification of rising magma intermediate depth below the earth's surface. Here, sometime rising molten magma enter in a cracks. Here, enter in a cracks, porous hollows under the surface and cool down. The resultant rock are known as hyperbasal igneous rocks. These rocks are formed at less depth below the earth surface of the earth. Okay, now another part, second part, we will discuss about next lecture. Okay, this is the reference book and photo source www.google.com and some materials taken from www.wikipedia.org, and this is the some reference book. Okay, thank you.